If you want to be able to make configurations similar to what can be done using OSGi configs, but that could be configured by regular authors and also applied to specific parts of the site using context-aware configurations, in this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching. Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and I make videos that help you learn about different programming topics like AEM, Docker, TensorFlow, Unity, and more. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! In this, the first video about context-aware configurations, I will add a static template and from it, create a configurations page inside AEM. Create a simple class for context-aware configurations. Get the configurations on the post construct inside a Sling Model. Add the configurations class into the pom.xml file so that AEM can use it. Get the configurations on the AEM component using HTL. And finally, configure and see the values inside a page. For this video, I am using AEM 6.5 with the 6.5.9 service pack. In VS Code, open a terminal, and using Adobe's archetype, let's create an AEM application if you don't have one already available. I am using the 28th version of the archetype because my AEM is having issues for some reason when I use newer ones without installing a couple more things. Let's first create the static template for the configuration pages. For this, expand UI.apps, src main content, JCR apps, and the folder for our new AEM application. Here, create a new folder called templates and CA configurations. Finally, create a file called .content.xml. The important part here is to allow our template to be used inside the /content/context-aware configs example site, and that the sling::resource type for the page component points to wcm-io/ca config/editor/components/page/editor. Inside the meta-inf-bolt folder, click on the filter.xml file and add the templates folder. Let's also expand UI.content until you find our new site. Open the content.xml file there and add the path to our static template so that we can actually create new pages based on the configurations template. Open an integrated terminal inside our application folder and build and deploy it using Maven. Inside AEM, go to Sites, click on our new site, and create a new page using the configurations page template. Let's create our new configuration next so that we can use it here. For that, expand core, src, and so on until you see the models package. Create a new folder and a new Java file for our new configurations inside the parent package. I am, unimaginatively, going to call it staff configuration. We will need to import the configuration and property annotations from the org apache sling ca config annotation package. Using the configuration annotation, let's define the label and description we will see when using this configuration. declare a new annotation type. And for each property that you want an author to configure, add a property annotation with a label and a description for the user to see. And finally, a method declaration using primitive types for the name of the property to be stored inside AEM. Let's retrieve our new configuration values by using a page object. Expand the models package and open the Hello World model class. Here, import our new annotation type. I will replace some of the existing code inside the init method. Let's get the containing page from the current components resource. Adapt the page object to configuration builder and map the properties to staff configuration. Finally, just concatenate the value. Don't forget to import the configuration builder from org apache sling ca-config. On the POM XML file inside the core folder, look for the BND Maven plugin configuration, and inside the BND element add the Sling context-aware configuration classes property with the package and the class name for our new configuration type. We can also get configuration values from HTL. Let's look for our Hello World component inside the UI.apps folder and open the hello world.html file. To render a value from a context-aware configuration, inside an HTL expression, put ca-config, opening square brackets, single quotes, the package name, and the name of our new configuration annotation type. Finally, the property we want to render, and that's it. As before, build and deploy the application using Maven. Given that this time we added some new code to our Java classes, I will prevent the unit tests from running. On AEM, refresh the configurations page. Click on the Add button. From the drop-down, select Staff Configuration and click OK. On the Staff Configuration page, type some text for the staff property and click Save. Go to the Sites console again, click on the thumbnail for the English page and click on Edit. You can see here the value from the staff configuration page that came from both the Sling Model and the HTL script. In the next video, I will show how we can use different simple value types inside our configurations and where are they stored. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini-course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.